Hello everyone, I am Palak Visnoi, working as a lecturer in Fashion Design Department of Amity Polytechnic, Greater Noida campus of Amity University. In 3-year Diploma of Fashion Designing, we impart students the knowledge of basic fashion sense and make them industry ready. In our course, we teach subject like fashion illustration in which students learn about how to draw fashion figures, stick figures, model drawing, facial figures to give the basic idea to start off design. Then comes to subject like pattern making in which students learn about different patterns and design of various dress styles. Subject like garment construction teaches students about how to operate electronic machines and sewing techniques of garments. And some more subjects like fashion marketing, visual merchandising, CAD, design process, portfolio developments, elements of design, and so on. These subjects are taught with their theory and practical, which makes students aware of the latest trend in the industry and make them industry ready. With these basic subjects, we also teach them communication for their development of soft skills. We also believe in overall development of student personality by engaging them in extracurricular activities such as quizzes, debates, dance competition, etc. so that they evolve as all-rounder in the ever-changing world. Coming to fashion technology, we give them knowledge and indulge them in live activities such as modeling and fashion shows. In our course, students are not only in academics but they are also given extended industrial exposure so that after the course they are ready to face any challenges. Students learn from highly qualified industry experts and gain knowledge by performing hands-on tasks. We believe in the principle of learning by doing, which is practical knowledge. With this, we also get weekly progress reports of students to keep a vigil of their progress. We at Amity try our best to impart all possible teaching and provide every possible guidance for their placement in the best company and try to guide them towards a bright future. Thank you.